Beautiful single family, no fee, detached condo located across the street from the Chesapeake Bay, minutes to the Norfolk Naval Base located in Willoughby. This 5-bedroom, 4-full-bath home has an open concept plan, beautiful gray cabinets, west/quartz countertops, stainless steel appliance including an upgraded gas stove, dishwasher and microwave. Large kitchen west/an island open to family room west/gas fireplace and dining room. Bedroom, full bath and large deck off the back are on the first living floor. The master bedroom west/en suite, 2 additional bedrooms, guest bath and loft, second deck off the front facing the bay is the second floor. The third floor is the 5th bedroom west/private bath.